Alright. Got a little ringneck snake here for you. He's a little excited. We tussled a little bit trying to catch him. He is active. It is getting a little warm here. See if I can get you a good view, a better view than I did last time. Come here, buddy. Come here. You can see here. There he is. Calm down, buddy. He's got a beautiful little belly on him, a little red belly. I think he thinks I'm going to eat him, but we're just going to get a picture. Come here. If I can get him to hold still. Ooh, he stinks. Putting out a little musk for me. Come here. Come here. Don't do it. Come here. Come here. I know I'm harassing you, ain't I, buddy? Anyway, here he is. Little ringneck. Beautiful little fella. Hey, buddy. And we'll let him go. Watch how fast he hits the dirt. Oh, now, show him. Show him how fast you can disappear. It's my little board I love putting out just to catch these little boogers.